The welding industry is huge with a lot of jobs. Some making $15 an hour, some making $150 an hour. Today we're going to talk about what to look for and what to stay away from. Hi, I'm Brandon from Western Welding Academy. I'm a second shift welding instructor there. Today we're going to talk about welding jobs and pays, highs and lows, starting with shipyards. Shipyards is a very broad name. You can be working in a marina welding on barges. You can be in a federal shipyard welding on submarines. How hard is it to get a job in a shipyard? Obviously the federal jobs are going to be the paying the most, but they're also the hardest ones to get. Yeah, so a lot of background checks and a very long hire process. They take up to months, or you can get hired into a basic marina. They'll hire you right then and there on the spot after a weld test. So a standard marina job, it could be a very simple weld test, standard butt weld, stick weld test, but that federal job that's paying them more money has upwards of 7 to 10 restricted weld tests that are going to be very, very strict and very grueling on you. Those work environments it varies between the two. Some of the work environments can be really bad, while some of them can be really good and clean. With shipyards being so broad, the basic marina you're going to go into, you could be making upwards to $18 to $25 an hour. Or on the federal shipyards, you can make up to $50 to $150, such as Newport News that are hiring right now. Just to recap shipyards, pros, you're still collecting a paycheck and you're still building experience. Cons, the work environment isn't the greatest in some places, and the long hire processes at the good work environments. Jumping way up in pay, we'll start talking about nuclear power plants. We actually had a nuclear power plant come through our school and talk to some of our students. It was a very good opportunity, a lifelong opportunity, but it's a year-long worth of schooling, but it's paid schooling. They were starting them off at $63 an hour, and I think it was $120 a day per diem. It's not like your standard marina job where you're working in dirty environments. It's going to be a very clean and strict environment. With those jobs also, you'll be doing a lot of clean TIG welding, various different metals, but also you could be working with a robot as a technician. Learning and understanding those is going to take a lot of schooling. You'll also be working around nuclear reactors that put off quite a bit of radiation. I know that job specifically. They have to test you for your radiation levels, and if you're dosing high on radiation, then they're going to lay you off for a little while, but still paid. Very good work environments, but very technical. This specific job was paying pretty high, $63 an hour, but depending on your job duties and what you're going to be doing, usually these places pay pretty well. The pros of these jobs is a very clean work environment and good pay. The cons of these jobs, long hire process, a lot of schooling, and working with radiation. Let's get into pipe ladders and rig welders. On average, these guys are going to be making the most money, working crazy hours and traveling quite a bit. These guys are working a guaranteed 10, 12 hours a day, but it's not unheard of for these guys to make upwards of $20,000 a month. But with that $20,000 a month comes with unexpected expenses. Running your own truck, running your own rig comes with a lot of maintenance. That $20,000 a month can dwindle away fast if you're not maintaining your vehicle properly, and also the insurance is not very cheap either. This is not a family-friendly industry. You're gone for weeks and months at a time, guaranteed. Some pros of this job is you're making a lot of money, and if you're into the traveling, it's perfect for that. You'll be able to see the entire country, no problem. A couple of cons, you are away from home. You are traveling a lot, so if you have a family, it doesn't really work out that great, unless you're bringing them with you. Also, it's going to be the hottest job in the summer and the coldest job in the winter. So I hope this helped you make a decision on what you want to do in your welding career. There's plenty of opportunities, more than what we discussed today. If you want more opportunities and figure out exactly what you want, go to applytoweld.com, put your $350 booth hold payment in, and we'll see you soon.